Hello everyone. Okay, so I want to just go over what my essential rewards order was for this month. So first of all, I got sulfazyme. So sulfazyme and my Ningxia Red is like a staple for me. It helps me, it gives you natural MSM in your body and the natural sulfur that your body needs, which your body doesn't create. So it's helped me with my low back issues. Then I have inner defense. So this we take as a precaution. So this is my and Peter's order. Life 9. So inner defense is awesome to take when you are feeling that you're getting under the weather or ill. Life 9 is the probiotic, which I drink every night. Once you've opened it, please keep it in the fridge. Multigreens gives you all the nutrition your body needs. It also has the Melissa oil in. That is an awesome way to get Melissa in South Africa. And then Agile Ease, which has been phenomenal for me. And then my V6 was almost finished, so I got myself V6. And whitening toothpaste, always on my list. Then my CBD Calm roller was almost finished. I put that on every night when I get into bed, and it just calms me down, relaxes me, and gives me a good night's sleep. So one of my sleep oils was actually in the promo for this month. So that is cedarwood, but I'll get to the promos just now. This is also the other sleep oil that I use, vetiver, which is just amazing. So what I do is I just take the oils for Peter's sinus, the lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus. I add cedarwood and I add vetiver. I also add a little bit of valor and orange for my sleep mix. Ylang ylang. Last month was Valentine's month. I used all my ylang ylang, and the 15 mils not in stock at the moment, so I got a 5 mil. Then Deep Relief is one of our new oils that came in last month, and I got myself one of those. I also have a Deep Relief. You also get the Deep Relief in a roller, so I'm gonna make my own roller after that. Endoflex is what I use on a daily basis, twice a day. So this is excellent for balancing out your body. I'm menopausal, hormonal issues, need some balance. Everyone needs balance. And this Endoflex is also safe to use on boys and girls, adults and children. So it's a very awesome oil. Thieves. Yeah, we always keep Thieves. So I got a 15 ml in the Thieves. Last month was the Red Drink Challenge. I used all my lime. So definitely sticking to the lime. The Red Drink Challenge was awesome. So Red Drink is 4 sulfazymes in the morning. I put 4 drops of lime in my Ningxia with a little bit of cold water. And I first have a glass of water. Then I have my Red Drink. And then I start my day. So I had two of my other oils were almost finished. Rosemary and marjoram. Rosemary and marjoram. So I make quite a few rollers for people, and those oils often come up in the rollers I make. Then the promo items. I got my laundry. So my laundry, what I do is I take a cup of warm water. So I boil filter water, let it cool down for a little bit. I add my bicarb. So I add just less than a quarter cup of bicarb. I stir that rigorously until it's dissolved. Then I've got a few empties of these. So I pour the warm water with the bicarb into the container. Then I add a cup of this concentrate because it's very concentrated. I add 3 cups of household cleaner, and then I add my essential oil that I want to add. So yeah, and then I fill it with water. So for a normal load, I use like just a half a cup. For a normal load, a half a cup. For a dirty or a full load, I will use a full cup. And I make like 2 of those for for the month, and that lasts me for a month. We do a lot of washing. Then the other one that's on the promo for the month is the CBD oil. So the CBD oil is absolutely something I don't live without. We did a CBD class. I don't know if you saw the class. All I can say is that your body needs it. If you're over 2 years old, your body needs it. So in South Africa, we're allowed to say that you can take it sublingually. And that's how I consume my CBD oil. I put it under a dropper, 1 ml under my tongue, and I keep it there for 25 seconds. And that's the fastest way your body can absorb it. So cedarwood is on the promo, which is awesome. Peppermint on the promo. So peppermint I use for any digestive issues, any even good for skin issues. Absolutely, if you feel hot, you can make yourself like a little peppermint mist spray that you can just spray, and that will cool you down. If you have irritated skin issues, peppermint is very good. Just remember, it's a hot oil. You have to dilute it. So many uses for peppermint. Yeah. Best digestion oil ever. Then Panaway. Panaway is absolutely, I was so delighted. If you place your ER order before the 22nd of March, then you will get the Panaway as well. I can't remember, I think it's Panaway and the CBD. If you place your order between the 22nd of March. Before the 22nd of March. So I hope that was not too long, and that I could give you a little bit of insight of what my order looks like. I always try to go for 400 PV, so I combine my order and my and Peter's order, and then we get the full benefit of Essential Rewards. And of course, if you place a 100 PV order, you'll get 20 PV points that you can use for next month's quick order. Thanks so much. Oh, what I wanted to say is what I do with my points. I let them heap up, and then Ning shows 87 points, and then I buy my, every 4th or 5th month, I can get a Ning Show Red for free, which is awesome. Bye.